Hello YouTube. So I've got this silencer security system on this 03 GMC Envoy, and I've been having issues starting up my car, and I'm suspecting it has to do with this security system. It's basically this this key or chip, whatever this thing is. It just sticks out on the bottom of the dash. I guess this is the chip. It stays connected right here, and when that's installed, you can start up your car. When it's removed, you can't start up your car. The key will go into the ignition, but it won't crank. So what this does, when you remove this chip, it interrupts your starter signal, and I'm gonna delete it because I don't really need it where I live. And first thing I did was just take the dash apart, just these two panels on the bottom, this one and this one. And here's the box. Let me take off this piece. It's got two nuts on each side. So after I removed both 10mm nuts on each side, this whole piece comes off, and it reveals this control box. And there's where it interrupts your starter signal from your ignition switch. So this is where the signal was interrupted, and it goes into this box. And that's where I'm gonna remove it. So I'm gonna disconnect this. So now that that's removed, I just need to splice these two wires together. I'll show you once it's done. I'm not sure if I'm gonna just cut it here and here and connect these two wires together, or because this might be too short to use the original wire. So I'll show you how it looks after. So there it is. The yellow is the original wire. This is where they spliced in that security system, and this is my splice. I just connected these two wires. So let me put the key in the ignition. Start, and there it is. Starts without that security system installed. Thanks for watching.